Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a van-run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles, all meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market, which today brings us to this stunning BMW X4 M Competition, finished off in Toronto red. This BMW comes with a highly desirable specification, including Glass Sliding Panoramic Sunroof, adaptive LED headlights with high beam assistant, driving and parking assistant plus with 360-degree surround view camera, comfort package and comfort access with smart opener, heated steering wheel, front electric memory seats with active ventilation and front and rear heated seats. In addition, this X4M comes with enhanced Bluetooth telephone preparation with wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, BMW gesture control, digital cockpit, Harman Kardon surround sound system, and BMW professional navigation with 10.25-inch touch display. Full specifications can be found over on our website. Externally, this benefits from Toronto red paint finish, protected with front end paint protection film, and 21-inch M-Lite bespoke style alloys finished off in gloss black. This X4M Competition comes with a respectable 503 brake horsepower, having only covered 32,800 miles, one owner from new, and in very good condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a desirable colour combination and a high factory specification. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_AutoHouse for the latest stock updates and services.